Hi friends! Today's lesson is from Module 4, Lesson 25. The other day my friend Hank was telling me about a birthday party that he went to. And see, you were supposed to bring some flowers with you when you went to the birthday party. It was like a flower theme. Well, a big group of friends showed up and they totally forgot. See, there were all of these bears that came to the party. Let's go ahead and count to see how many bears showed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo, 9 bears. And as you can see right now, none of them have flowers. Well, a few of the bears were like, uh-oh, we need to stop at the store on the way. So some of them did stop at the store and they picked up some flowers. Okay, where are your flowers, friends? Oh, here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least 5 of the 9 showed up with flowers. But what about the other ones that didn't? Oof, I hope they had a good time. Yeah, because there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, who did not bring anything. And I don't know about you, but as Hank is telling this story, all I can think about is a number bond. I know, of course, that's what you're thinking about? I thought so, because as soon as I hear about like a whole group with different parts, in this case, the parts with the flowers and the part without flowers, I just want to put it right into a number bond. So hey, let's do that. So if I got a number bond, what would be my whole amount? How many bears were there in all? Good job. Yeah, there were 9. Now, how many of those smart bears showed up with flowers? Yes, 5 of them showed up. And then, uh-oh, how many were in trouble when they arrived? Great, 4. See, that story goes really well with this beautiful number bond. And now right away, as soon as he starts telling the story, I know exactly what that looks like with the different parts. This is great. I'm so glad Hank told me that funny story because our learning goal for today says, I can decompose 9 using objects and drawings. You know, we're just going to like break apart the number 9, even though it's gigantic. We're going to do all of that good work. So here we go. What about if the bears had to bring something else? So let's leave our flowers at home this time, but let's bring, oh, I know. It's time for a slumber party. So many of you are so tired. Do you have your cute little blankies with you? You do? Perfect. Let's get our cozy blankies. Oh, I love that. Oh, some are going to have blankies that look so cozy, and some are not. You know, I wonder if you could put that into a number bond. Can you go ahead and press pause and get your dry erase board and marker and then draw that good empty number bond? We're going to be filling it in, friends. Okay, do you have your number bond? Perfect. Now, at the top is going to be the whole amount of bears, like all the bears together, right? And then one of the parts will be the ones that have their blankets that are ready to go night-night. And the other part are going to be the ones who are still bouncing from the walls. They haven't found their friend Blanky yet. Okay, so what's the whole amount? Go ahead and write that in your number bond. How many bears are there altogether? Yeah, there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A quick count helps me to figure that out. And then one of our parts will be what, buddy? Yeah, the blankets. The ones who have blankies. Go ahead and count. How many blankies do you see? And then go ahead and put that as a part in our number bond. Okay, well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cozy, wozy blankets. And then how many friends did not have their blankets ready for night yet? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 3. So that would be the other part. How'd your number bond look, friends? Did you come up with those different parts? You did? Oh, good job. You know, when you're looking at a group and you're looking for the different parts, it's really helpful to count slowly and to like go in order. Don't be like bouncing all around when you're counting. And then as soon as you know a part, fill it in. Don't wait. All right? Our learning goal for today says, I can decompose 9 using objects and drawings, and the bear friends helped us out with that. And you did awesome. So, let's do one more. After they went to the party and after they took a nap, of course, they're ready to go see a movie. Now, as you can tell, a couple of friends already got their popcorn, but everybody else is still waiting in line. So what I would like you to do is go ahead and send me a number bond and show me how many bears there are And then how many have their popcorn, and the other part of bears that don't have their popcorn. Fill that into a number bond and then send it my way so that I know you know how to decompose 9. Good luck, friends!